Welcome to my presentation. My name is Yang Zhao. Today I am going to discuss the influences of sharing economy platform in the hospitality industry. Take Airbnb for example. Firstly, I will talk about what is sharing economy platform. Then I will introduce sharing economy platform in the hospitality industry. Take Airbnb for example. Next, I will discuss the positive and negative influences of Airbnb in the hospitality industry. Then I will say how the traditional hotel industry resists the disadvantage influences of Airbnb. Finally, I will take a conclusion for the presentation. What is sharing economy platform? The definition shows that sharing economy platform is providing a form for interaction, a standard set of contractual terms, and a secure method of payment for every user. They don't have physical capital and employ directly the labor required to provide the service in question. They typically provide a platform to facilitate exchanges and take a commission on each transaction in return. In recent years, sharing economy platforms are welcomed for most people, especially in hospitality industry. Sharing economy platforms achieve big success. Airbnb is a good example. Airbnb was founded in 2008 with the development of the Internet world. There is a growing number of people can earn extra income by renting out their unused house or rooms, while renters can book accommodations at low costs. Therefore, Airbnb company's business is growing sharply. Today, the online platform offers millions of listings in more than 220 countries and regions, and over 100,000 cities. There is a growing number of people paying attention on the company influences in hospitality industry due to the success of Airbnb. Airbnb can create many advantageous influences for the hospitality industry. For example, it can boost the increase of economy. The cost of accommodation makes up a larger part of any trip. Therefore, some travelers must give up travel plan because of the higher cost of accommodation. However, Airbnb can provide customers with cheaper price than the traditional hotels. According to data shows that it was 21% cheaper to rent out a whole apartment on Airbnb than get a hotel room, and 49% cheaper to rent out a private room. Therefore, Airbnb can boost an increase of economy through attracting more travelers. According to other data shows that Airbnb helps British economy grow by £3.5 billion in 2018. Airbnb not only boosts the increase of economy in hospitality industry, but also help other industry to enhance development. Airbnb provides customers with cheaper price of accommodation. Therefore, most customers are willing to stay longer at the destination and participate in more activities. The situation indirectly promoted the development of other industries, such as transportation. In addition to boosting the increase of economy, Airbnb has created a lot of job opportunities. According to the content above, Airbnb attracts more customers and makes the customers stay longer at the destination. Therefore, every industry should recruit more employees in order to meet customers' needs, such as restaurants, bars, and entertainment. There is evidence to suggest that Airbnb creates about 4,418 additional jobs in New Orleans. Other evidence shows that Airbnb supported 318 full-time jobs in San Francisco. For hospitality industry, a 1% increase in Airbnb supply increases employment in the hospitality, tourism, and leisure industry by about 0.015%. There is no denying the fact that it produces some disadvantaged influences in the hospitality industry. For example, Airbnb competes with the traditional hotel industry. Airbnb's usage rate appears to be increasing every year. According to data, we can see that usage rate among leisure travelers increased from 12% in 2015 to 19% in 2016. Business travelers' usage rate has also grown from 12% in 2015 to 18% in 2016. Therefore, Airbnb has taken away a lot of customers from the traditional hotel industry. There is evidence showing that Airbnb reduced the traditional hotel industry by up to about 3.7%. Other evidence shows that a 1% increase in Airbnb supply decreased hotel revenues by 0.04%, except for competing with the traditional hotel industry. Airbnb disturbs normal law in the hotel industry. Many countries and cities legislate law to regulate development of the hospitality industry. However, Airbnb is an emerging industry. There are many countries and cities don't enact a new law to regulate the new company. Therefore, many traditional hotels and some organizations censure that many Airbnb customers are not paying the taxes required under the law. Chief Executive of the British Hospitality Association censures that Airbnb allowing its users to run potentially dangerous pseudo-hotel exempt from fair food and health regulations. There is evidence showing that in New York, about 72% of the transactions were illegal under existing law. Airbnb has affected the traditional hotel industry. Therefore, some traditional hotels have taken some measures to compete with Airbnb. For example, Marriott International, the biggest hotel company in the world, has founded a subsidiary brand, HomeVillas, to resist Airbnb. The brand offers about 2,000 luxury homes located in over 100 destinations throughout the US, Europe, and Latin America. In addition to Marriott International, Accor Hotels also has taken similar action. Accor Hotel has acquired about 13% stake in Oasis Collections, that provides rental chain with 15,000 properties in 18 destinations, including UK. Now I will give my conclusion. Airbnb can boost the increase of economy and create more job opportunities. However, Airbnb content with traditional hotel industry and break law in the hospitality industry. Most hotels have taken some action in order to resist Airbnb. Countries and regions should continue to improve their laws in order to regulate Airbnb. This is my reference list. Thanks for looking my presentation.